In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Microsoft Forms. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Forms website and sign in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. If you're not yet familiar with Microsoft Forms, it's a fantastic tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls easily, and signing in is your gateway to leveraging all of its features. Once you're logged in, locate the option that says Plus New Form. By selecting this, you'll be embarking on the journey of creating a new form tailored to your specific needs. Keep in mind that a well-designed form begins with a clear and descriptive title. Consider using titles like sign-in sheet or attendance form. This not only helps you stay organized, but also informs participants about the form's purpose right off the bat. After naming your form, it's time to add questions. To do this, click the plus button, which opens up an array of question types you can choose from. The beauty of Microsoft Forms is its versatility in question formats, allowing you to customize your form to suit the nature of the information you're gathering. If you're looking to gather text-based responses, choose the text option. This is ideal for collecting names, comments, or any other open-ended information you might need. But if you're focused on log-type data, such as a simple sign-in or sign-out option, then the choice question type will be your go-to. It presents participants with predefined options that they can easily select, making it quick and straightforward to fill out. Another useful question type is the date option, which is perfect when you need to capture the date and time of form submissions. This is particularly advantageous in forms that are linked to time-sensitive events or records. With your questions set, a crucial step is to preview your form. Click Preview and take a careful look at how the form appears from a participant's perspective. This helps you catch any inconsistencies or errors that might disrupt the process. Adjust any necessary details to ensure that your form is as clear and effective as possible. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Clicking Share provides you with several options on how you can distribute your form. Whether you choose to share a link, a QR code, or another method, Microsoft's sharing capabilities make it simple to reach your intended audience. And there you have it, your form is ready to go live. Microsoft Forms is an excellent tool that simplifies the form building process while offering a wealth of customization options. So go ahead and unleash your creativity. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Microsoft Forms, the more adept you'll become at making engaging and functional forms.